Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about freelancing, and this specific video is for those people who have just passed out from the college and who are still looking for jobs, and I know like many people are preparing for data science. Probably they want to switch into data science, probably they want to do something, probably some of them have already got placed, some of them are already working, some of them are already doing internship, or there are also some people who are actually working but earning less amount of money, right? So for them, this particular website that is called as Chegg India is pretty much amazing, because over here you'll really be able to earn a whole lot of money. I have used Chegg India when I was probably in the initial days of my IT period, somewhere around 2 to 3 years of experience. At that time, you usually know that whenever you're from the service-based company, initially you really get very less money, right? And at that particular point of time, I had joined Chegg India, and I've served as a mentor over here. I'll talk about this Chegg India. I've actually served as an expert in Chegg India for probably around 4 to 5 months, just to I usually used to get less salary, so just to have some more monetary benefits, I used to work onto this, usually in the evening times, okay, after my work used to get over. And over here, how is the earning strategy and all, I'll talk about it. But again guys, if you are really uh, not having any jobs, and till then if you really want to do any freelancing, you can at least devote around 3 to 4 hours daily in this particular platform, and you will be able to earn money. How much money, I'll just talk about it. Um, so what is this Chegg India? Let's understand. Okay, so guys, throughout the world, there are many people, there are many students who gets a lot of assignments in their colleges. Probably what they do is that they post those assignments in this particular platform. Suppose they want some help in order to solve that particular assignments, or with respect to different subjects. Like the subjects can be in computer science, it can be with respect to statistics, it can be with respect to computer networks, operating system, data structures, programming. It can be various things. Okay, so what they do is that they basically post the assignment over here, and here in the Chegg India platform, what they do is that they take many expert people. Okay, they take many expert people, many subject expertise, they basically say. And whoever gets any kind of questions, they try to answer that. Okay, so suppose there is a question that has been given by one of the student. I'll go and see that specific question, and I'll try to solve it, and I'll try to give the answer for that. Okay, and obviously I'll be giving an amazing answer, obviously, because if I'll be knowing that specific topic, I will try to give it. Okay, once I give that specific answer, okay, for one answer usually Chegg India gives us 160 rupees INR for one answer. That was what used to be given at that point of time, as far as I remember, 160 rupees per answer. Okay, but here you also have to be careful guys. The answer that you are providing should be very good itself, so that you get an upvote. Upvote basically means that you have given a better solution for that specific question, right? So you should be writing an amazing answer, you should be knowing that specific question. If you don't know, just skip that question, and try to solve the other question that is given by the students, right? So it is very much important that you give an amazing answer for that, only if and only if you know that specific question. Now one more thing that is very important to know, that in Chegg India, if you try to give a plagiarized answer, like go and search in the Google, and probably you get a solution. If you copy and paste and give that particular solution, you will be given around 2 to 3 warnings. After that, you'll just be removed from this particular platform. So you have to be very careful with respect to that also, so that you are actually giving the answer which you actually know. Okay, if you don't know, if you try to Google it, if you try to just copy and paste that same plagiarized answer, definitely they'll be removing you from this specific platform. Now why I'm telling about this, I'm not promoting this particular company, I'm just helping out students who really want to earn. And I'm not talking about students, I'm talking about the persons who are graduated, right? If they really want to help, if they really want to earn some money, they can definitely go in this particular platform. uh, I'll tell you about this guys, because I know many people. When I was working at that point of time, I knew some of the people who are doing full time this kind of work, and they are earning somewhere around 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees INR monthly. Okay, Just imagine, they were around 1 to 2 years of experience and they were doing this for the full time. Okay, so you can really earn a whole lot of money with respect to this, because just understand that if you're answering one question, it is somewhere around 160 rupees INR, and if you get an upvote, then you are actually a trusted expertise in this. Okay, how to apply it, I'll just tell you guys. But again, for the people whom you think that you're still searching for a data science job even after passing out of the college, even those people who are preparing for some kind of government exams also, okay, they can also participate in this particular platform itself. You just have to give around 3 to 4 hours. Why I'm telling you to participate? So that you'll at least not have any kind of gap in your resume. You'll be able to tell that, okay, I was working for this particular platform as a subject expertise. Okay, and what subject it may be? It may be statistics, it may be any kind of subjects that you're looking at, right? I was an expertise with respect to statistics in this, and I think one more subject that I had actually taken was database, I guess. Database was another one that I had actually taken, but anytime you can just apply for one. So I applied it for statistics. Okay, and I used to give the answers with respect to statistics itself. So that was the major thing, guys. And this, and again, if you are really looking for a job, if you don't have any permanent job till then, yes, after you get a permanent job, if you feel that your salary is satisfied, stop going to this particular platform. But yes, if you are not having this particular job, and if you really want money, guys, daily, you cannot be dependent on your parents after you pass out from the college, right? They have provided everything for your education. So after that, they will definitely not be, it will be very difficult. You have to support your parents, right, financially, because probably they will get older. Some of the parents will get retired till you complete your education, and this is an amazing platform to go into. Okay, now how to actually sign up for this particular process? All you have to do is that these are the steps. In 4 easy steps, you can become a Q&A expert. Q&A expert basically means that, see this, I'll just read it. Okay, Chegg India offers freelancers the opportunity to work part-time and grow their earnings. Here at Chegg India, we hire online tutors in the form of freelance subject experts. We entrust our freelance experts with the responsibility to provide quality answers to the question uploaded to our QA portal. And this answers only you need to provide it, guys. And with respect to one answer, the price that as far as I remember, is 160 rupees INR. That basically means if you are able to give 10 to 20 answers every day, okay, just imagine for 20 answers, it is like 3,200 rupees. And if I calculate with respect to 1 month, if you and 20 answers, definitely you will be able to give it in 2 to 3 hours, guys. Okay, yes, it will be difficult if you are a subject expert, right? You learn and give it, it's okay. Suppose in 3 to 4 hours also, if you are giving every day, you are earning somewhere around, just consider 20 into 160 is nothing but 3,200 rupees. If I calculate monthly, it will be more than 1 lakh rupees, guys, right? So what are the steps? All you have to do is that just sign up, and then they'll give you an online screening test. The online screening test will be with respect to the subject that you have chosen, probably statistics, probably database and all. Okay, then whatever this online screening, they basically ask you 10 questions, and if you are able to give the answer for 8 questions and all, I think you will be selected. That is what was that at that point of time. And then you go with respect to the verification, right? Then our team verifies your credential, including the documents. Or documents, they'll ask you the PAN card, Aadhaar, your bank account number, so that, and this is an automated process. Every month you'll be getting the money, if every day, if you are able to just give 2 to 3 hours. Okay, then finally start answering, and you are an expert, right? So only this many steps, guys. So here is your sign up button. Just go and just start sign up. Then you'll be getting a mail with respect to online screening, then verification, and start answering. This is the only step. Now, one thing that you need to take care of, guys, if you miss that 3 warnings, like suppose they have given 3 warnings where you should not plagiarize any kind of answer, and once you complete that 3 warnings, that you will be removed from this particular platform. Later on, you try to join this platform, they already will be having your PAN card number and all, they will not allow you to join, right? So guys, please make sure that you share this video with everyone, okay, specifically for the people who don't have jobs, guys. Trust me, you'll be able to earn a lot of money from this. I have earned it when I was in really need of money, guys. Somewhere around 3 years experience. I was in my second company after HCL. I suddenly there was some urgency of money. I worked for 1 to 2 months in this. I got some amount of money, and that was really helpful. I answered somewhere around In 2 months, I answered more than 50 to 60 questions. Yes, I had a very hectic schedule, but I tried to answer it. Okay. Now this is very, very much important, guys. Please, it's a sincere request. Share with everyone. Okay. This will be important for everyone, guys. Trust me, it will be very, very important for everyone. For the people who wants to earn little bit more money, for the people who are not having any job, for the people who are even going for government exams every day 3 to 4 hours, since in government exams also you are preparing, you're studying, you're doing different things, that same expert knowledge will be coming over here. Once you sign up here, you'll be able to see a lot of subject options which will allow you to select. So I hope you like this particular video. Again, guys, it's a sincere request. Share with everyone, guys. That's it. I really want to share so that many people who are having money problem will this get solved by them. So I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.